11. Virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an invaluable asset to any business or company. It's just like having a personal assistant, but one that works from home, normally for one or even a number of clients. Companies benefit as they obtain the help to run their business without the cost and risk of employing someone full-time. You benefit from being able to work from home and choosing the hours that suit you. What skills do I need? You need to be organized, good at researching, have good computer skills, be able to communicate effectively, and have an excellent telephone manner. By working as a virtual assistant, you could be asked to do a number of things, some involving general administrative duties, such as letter writing, organizing meetings, writing up reports, or even researching other companies. The following may be asked of you when becoming a virtual assistant. Can you promote using social media, such as through Twitter or Facebook? Do you have the skills to create web designs or create email promotions? Can you write a press release and/or articles for the company? Do research through the internet or even in printed form? Can you manage customer service, perhaps dealing with orders, complaints, or follow-up calls to customers? Coordinate travel plans with a number of staff using different forms of transport. Arrange visas if required. Help plan an event from the booking of a venue, organizing catering, decorating, and so on. Answer letters and emails promptly in a timely fashion. Do transcription of speech into text. Create a database using the appropriate software. In order for you to become a virtual assistant, here are some steps you can take. Look out for virtual assistant openings on freelancing sites such as Freelancer, Guru, Upwork, etc. Start applying for those jobs. Make sure your applications are detailed and you include any appropriate skills and experiences that you have. Advertise yourself on social networks amongst friends, previous work colleagues, or business contacts. Sign up to an agency. There are many online companies, such as Time ETC, which is the largest UK virtual assistant agency. What you need to consider before you start to apply for VA positions. Categorize your skills and experiences. Consider any large projects you have handled and break them down in order that you can add this as an experience in your applications. Consider what skills you can offer, such as event management, handling customer service, handling telephone calls, and so on. Consider your workspace for running as a VA. The basic requirements may include a spare room or a desk in a quiet room, a phone, good reliable internet access, and an up-to-date computer with webcam access, appropriate software programs, and of course, the time during the day or night that you can offer as a VA. Consider whether you may need additional training, perhaps in web design or particular software packages, such as spreadsheets or databases. Identify your target market. For example, you may have a medical background and you can focus on doctors or medical companies. Register with LinkedIn to create an online presence. Create your own website, remembering that it is possible to build and run a website for little or no cost through free website services. Sign up to an agency that offers support to VAs around the globe, such as Society of Virtual Assistants. Join one of the many Facebook groups for virtual assistants. Virtual Assistant Savvies is a great group to share experiences and knowledge on this kind of work. How much can I make from being a virtual assistant? You can make anywhere between $3 to upwards of $100 per hour, depending on your ability, skills, and experience. Your pay rate will depend on training and the skills that you can offer to your clients. Continue to look at training to further develop your skills and therefore increasing your pay rate. Obviously, the more skills you have, the more money that can be earned. So if you have the skills and experience, time to spare, and an appropriate place to work, you can launch as a virtual assistant. Remember to keep a diary of the work you have completed, look for opportunities to develop and gain new skills, and the sky's the limit.